Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to add a location to your profile on your OnlyFans account using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for OnlyFans. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now let's go to the OnlyFans platform. We can use a shortcut on the bookmarks tab. Click on OnlyFans, wait for that to load. And now what we will do is go to the cogwheel where it says edit profile. And now where it says location, let's just add UK. For the United Kingdom, click on save. And now what we will do is go back to my profile. And for us to view that change, we must click on more information. And there we go. Let's just say we want to go back and change. Go to edit profile. Let's just say USA. If we ever decide to move location, click on save. Go to my profile. Go to more information. There we go. Let's revert back to what it was. Click on save. Back to my profile. More information. And there we go. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.